Alright, back again. What's up, YouTube? Um, just giving you a little review of my account and what's going on today and how many sales I got. Um, One thing that I wanted to stretch on this channel is showing you guys the good, bad, and the ugly, okay? I want to be as transparent as possible with you guys. Um, I'm not going to just show you the days that I'm just killing it in sales. I'm going to show you these bullshit days where I don't sell shit, okay? I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys everything. You know, in a journey, there's going to be the good, bad, and the ugly. But we just push through. We push through. Um. So right now where I live it's 10:53. I don't have any sales today. Yesterday I didn't have any sales either. Um. There is a lot of stuff going on right now with Amazon and their platform. They're changing and recoding the sites. I'm seeing different changes um, on Amazon, like the way they show which color shirts and a couple different things. So there's some stuff going on. Um, One thing that helps me a lot to know what's going on is I'm in a lot of Facebook groups with a bunch of different people that are on merch. So when I have a problem and they have a problem, everybody posts about it. So it's easy to kind of see what's going on. So that would be a good thing for you guys to join some Facebook groups. I'm probably gonna just make one too, just for my subscribers and my supporters, and to answer questions swiftly, because you know um, I definitely answer back faster on Facebook than YouTube. I'm not always checking that. So when I make that, I'm gonna put a link in the description. Probably talk about it in the video. But yeah, this is what's going on this week. Let me cover that up. On Friday, I sold something new that hasn't sold, so I didn't make any royalty off of it. Been pretty low on royalties all week. I had 3 returns Monday, and Tuesday I guess was a good day on 420. Some of my weed shirts sold. That was cool. But I'm still waiting to get tiered up. 509 right now. $3, $4 away from making my first $1,000 on merch, which is cool. Um, but we can check out this week. Um, let's see what we got here. Let's see if I can memorize what this shit is. Um, this is a shirt that is my number one seller. I've sold probably almost 100 of these. Very simple text, one word, but this is my most consistent shirt. And that's one thing about Evergreens. They might not, sell 10 in a day like a nice trend that you find, but it is the most consistent. Over my merch journey, this done sold over 100 times. So that's the whole that done took me, this shirt, one shirt done took me, to tier 100. If I started off from the beginning. So it's nice to have a couple different shirts like this that are evergreen that always sell. So I'm trying to keep my account probably 80% evergreens, 20% trends and holidays. So when the certain evergreens aren't selling, I start deleting them, and then I might fuck with the trends and exploit that. But you want to keep evergreens. Well, let me explain what evergreen means, because I don't know if I even explained that before. But evergreen design is something that'll sell year round. It's not like a holiday, but it only might be hot around that holiday. So you want to have stuff that can sell year round, just to start having some consistency in your account. So like I said, I would start off as 80% evergreen, and keep those little slots open for when trends pop up, when holidays are coming. um, But yeah, you don't want to put too many trends and too many holidays because it might be good for that holiday, but you'll have a downturn when the holiday's over. And I had to learn that the hard way, which I'll show you guys right now, just so I can give you an example of why I say that. Um, so look, this is the reason why you want to have evergreens. So this Christmas, right? I sold 137 items, and then it went down to $55. Okay, this is when I had to learn that. Okay, look at that. That's like $200 less next month because I put way too many Christmas designs, no trends I mean, I did a bunch of Christmas designs and no evergreens. So this is the type of shit that'll happen. You'll hit for 1 month, which is nice. I mean, it might be good to do if you're like really close to a tier up and you're just trying to hit your threshold, but you don't want to do this shit. Look at this. 137 to 29 sales. That shit'll drive you crazy cuz that shit would be crazy. So, yeah, let me show you the last yesterday, I guess. Nope, didn't sell shit yesterday. So, yeah, so my royalties are really low this month because um I changed all of my unsold products to 1307, which is cool because I'm starting to get other shirts that never rank to rank. So right now I'm really um trying to get as many shirts ranking as I can before I go to tier 1000 because I'm about to load up on everything. So it's nice to have some new shirts ranking. Um, but yeah, so I sold 8 standards this week, 1 tank top, Apple case, 6 men, 3 women shirts. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, the good, bad, and the ugly. Every day ain't a great day in merch. It's no overnight success. There's gonna be some hiccups. There's gonna be shit going on that we can't control. Stuff going on in the world. It might be, like when the stuff was going on in Texas and everybody's snowing everywhere. You're not gonna get as many sales when Amazon changes stuff about their platform. You're not gonna, So I just wanted to show you guys that it's not always great. Um, but yeah, so another thing that I am testing out, last thing I'll say, is I'm testing out doing more iPhone cases and pop sockets because I never really sold many of them. I never even picked those to even sell. So I usually really stick to the standard t-shirts, tank tops, and hoodies because that's just always what's sold for me. So now I'm testing out something and see how that's working, and that's how you'll win in merch. It's just continuing to test out things and not really knowing if they're gonna work, but that's something you try. So if you have a success, it's better than not to try anything and not really understand what's going on. So don't be afraid to try things. Don't be afraid to press up your prices. Don't be afraid to just like I said, try things. If something's not selling, or the 1307, something's not selling, change up your keywords. If something's not selling, don't be afraid to delete and you know put up new designs. Just stay active in your account as much as you can, because that'll help you on your journey. But yeah, that's all I got for this video, man. You guys just go on and subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. Yep, and I'm out.